Alright, what's up everybody? Today, as promised in the last video, I'm gonna show y'all what I do to keep my teeth white. And you know, I guess kind of shout out to Mint Dentistry because that's where I go for the dentist. So today, instead of using the normal toothpaste that I normally use, I'm gonna go ahead and use, you know, what they gave me in my little care package here. So you always get one of these. Not sponsored or anything like that, but I'm gonna go ahead and use their stuff. Normally I use the Crest Detoxify or like a charcoal whitening toothpaste from Crest, but today we're gonna go with their toothpaste. Then I'm gonna show you my whitening routine, I guess. And the best time to really to whiten your teeth, I would say, if you're doing it at home, is at night. I'm also gonna be using these little syringes that they gave me. So, and they give that to you for free after every appointment. Especially if you ask, they'll give you even more. So, I'll show you exactly what I do. So, pay attention. All right, so I pretty much use, for a toothbrush, I use this Oral-B toothbrush right here. I'll drop a link in the description below. I don't remember which number it is. I think it's like Oral-B 1000, and it comes with these little heads here that you can replace. Put on a charger, looks like this. You can store multiple different toothbrush tops in there. Honestly, I love it. I'll show you a little example. If you brush too hard, because I have a tendency to do that, it'll turn red. So you see that light? So that helps you to protect your gums and your teeth and make sure you're not brushing too hard. But all right, let's get into it. Another reason why you brush your teeth at night is because, from what the dentist has told me, for one, your teeth are porous, and a lot of people think that they're not. But teeth are porous, so you want to make sure that you're doing your teeth, you know, you want to brush your teeth at night and you do the whitening and everything like that, so that, for one, you're not re-eating throughout the day and then restaining your teeth and then it's on there for longer. Another thing too is when you floss, which you need to floss, when you put the actual whitening in there, which we'll talk about later, this will kind of also get in there. The bleach will go in between your teeth and kind of take out the bacteria and other things too that you might have missed with your floss. But that doesn't mean you rely on that either, but we'll get to it. The other good thing is the toothbrush has an app, so it'll make sure to tell you if you're brushing your teeth long enough. If you're doing too much pressure, you can set goals for yourself if you have different goals, or whatever the case is. We're gonna use the Sexy Teeth, but I told y'all last time I got the Sexy Teeth award. I would actually definitely recommend going to Mint. It's affordable, especially if you got insurance. It's like luxury dental care, and you know, you don't really need too much, but there it is. It's black. It's got the charcoal in there, and they have different flavors too, so that's pretty cool. And it's nice to kind of squirt on your toothbrush something that says Sexy Teeth. All right, now I'm about to brush probably about 2 minutes, and there's a timer on the phone. Since I'm using the phone to record, I'm just gonna look at the timer. But yeah, here we go. Alright, so like I said, I went with the charcoal toothpaste because it has a natural whitening to it. And why not, you know, assist in any kind of way to get your teeth white. So now I'm just washing off the toothbrush head. Like I said, you can do that separately. And then I'll wash off the toothbrush itself. So after I'm done with the brushing, I got a couple different ways that I like to floss. I can show you a couple of tools that I use, and I'll put a link to those in the description too. This right here is freaking amazing. It's like a brush for in between your teeth. You see those little bristles on it, and you can put them in between your teeth, and they're different sizes. My teeth are really close together, so I pretty much use the really, like, what is it, the ultra tight and the micro tight for my teeth. But the other thing that I like to do is, well, for one, I usually use that in the nighttime, as well as these picks, and I, you know, go all the way down, get in between all the teeth, you know, before I go and do the whitening. And for me, it's a little bit easier, so that's why I use this. All right, so that's all done, and then sometimes I use the toothpick part. The other thing I use is this water pick or water flosser. It's made by Waterpick, and I put a little bit of mouthwash in there, but I use that mainly in the mornings. I put a little bit of mouthwash mixed with the water, and then I just take that and then just kind of, you know, turn it on and go through there. If y'all have any questions on, you know, how to use it, put that in the description below or put it in the comments. Outside of that, I use this thing. It's pretty amazing. It makes your mouth feel really fresh, having like you can feel the actual mouthwash go in between your teeth. So that's pretty cool. All right, so now moment of truth that everybody's been waiting for. What do I actually do? So like I said, at Mint, when you first go, they give you these little trays. They do a mold of your teeth. Looks just like that. Looks like a retainer, except a lot more rubbery. And then you get their little whitening. So all you do is take it. This is a fresh one, or brand new, I should say. Looks like I might have broke it. Oh no, I just screwed it in. All right, screw it in, pretty cool. All right, so you take that, you get your tray, and then you just put a dab inside of each little tooth. Just a little drop. I'll show y'all in the dry one. Little dot, little dot, little dot, 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 dot. Okay. Probably won't be able to see that, but little tiny dots in there. All right, then you put it in. And pretty much you just leave it in there for about, I mean, they recommend 30 minutes, or 30 to 45 minutes, but I only usually do like 10 minutes. And I'd say in like 3 days, you'll see significant difference. So we'll wait 10 minutes, be back. All right, so 10 minutes has gone by. Now I'm gonna remove it, brush them, brush my teeth again, and use mouthwash, and then we're done. So here we go. So you can taste it a little bit. It's not nasty or anything like that, but it definitely has a taste. It's kind of like glue. Yeah, it's kind of like glue. Either way, what I'm gonna do now is just brush it. I use a separate toothbrush for it, and I'll just brush that out. Make sure that they stay clean. And then I'll brush my teeth again, use mouthwash, and then call it a night. After this, the only thing that I'll drink is pretty much water. I won't eat anything. And that's another good reason why you want to do it at night, outside of the fact that your teeth are porous and it allows it to mineralize. So brush out the trays just like I would my teeth, and then brush my teeth again, mouthwash, and we're done. All right, so they're all clean. Put them back in the tray. I like to kind of leave it open a little bit so that they can air dry. Now it's time to brush the teeth one more time. So yeah, it's a little bit of a process, but I mean, if you want white teeth, you gotta do something. You can't just keep drinking the coffee, which has gradually got your teeth darker or yellow over time. All right, so now this is the mouthwash I use. I will use some of that. Like I said, I'll put a link in the description to everything that I've shown you. Take a shot. Now we're all fresh. White teeth. I hope that video helped y'all. You know, y'all try it out. Let me know what you think. Let me know what the results are. If you want to go to Mint, definitely check them out. They're really good. I know it's like, you know, probably commercialized to you guys, but in all honesty, I've been going for like 5 years and I love it. They give you like, you know, the literal luxury treatment. You get everything that you can think of. So yeah, hit the subscribe button, you know, share the video, and if this helps you, put it down in the comments, and see y'all in the next one.